Hi everybody and welcome to Truewants, where here we try to help you decide if it's going to change from a want to a need. Now we film live here with no edits. We prepare and do as much research as we can ahead of time because as soon as I know something, I want you to know it too so that we could be in the know together, which also means some days we could have multiple videos. Now, if you're interested in informative videos, then make sure to press that subscribe button. It is free. You can ring that bell for a new video notification and don't forget to press that thumbs up. That will help this video to grow and hopefully find others who enjoy this type of content. They just haven't found Truewants just yet. Also, if you are looking just for a quick update, then go to my Instagram. My name there is Truewants with the number 2. The link for that and any other links or discount codes that I have are found right underneath this video in the description box. But most importantly, what I want you to know about this channel is that we are a community here at Truewants where we share about the brands, the products, of course those deals, and spoilers on these subscription boxes too. And I always look forward to seeing you in the comments where I do my best to respond to all. As always, I appreciate when you can watch in full, and if you would like to contribute dollars to the channel, we have now activated the thanks button that is found right below the video. Now let's get started with today's video because we now have the official spoilers and sneak peeks for IPSY's GlamBag and Boxycharm Power Picks. So they're saying for August that they are kind of going on the theme that it's the Olympics, and they want us to find what they're calling the new MVPs of our beauty routine. So let's get started with the GlamBag. So I've have this all set up in pictures that we blow up as much as we can so we can see the consistency in the colors a little bit better. The first August GlamBag Power Pick spoilers here. Now remember, every month the GlamBag members will get one Power Pick out of their 5 products, and as you know, within the Power Picks, usually they will also have at least a full-size item for us to make that as our choice item in our GlamBag. So the Ciate London Brazilian Glow Bronzing Powder. It says, if you love the look of a toasty sun-kissed skin without the UV damage, this is what you're going to want. It is a light dusting of this bronzer, creates that radiant, just got back from that beach glow in just an instant. It says the ultra-fine pigments are featherweight and they blend in like butter to create a natural-looking second skin finish. So that's the first one. The next one that we have here is from e.l.f. And a lot of these we shared in the unofficial spoilers, and we have a lot of them that were shared in the official spoilers, but now we know which ones are going to be power picks. And this is the e.l.f. Cosmetics Camo Liquid Blush in Dusty Rose. And it says your quest for natural flushed out cheeks that last all day will end here. This liquid blush works like a camo to seamlessly blend into our skin or our makeup, creating the perfect dupe for that real deal. It is lightweight, it is long-lasting, it is buildable, and it adds a dewy pop of rosy pink color to your cheeks without being streaky or heavy. Now remember, if you have had the opportunity to try any of the products we're going through in this video, make sure to share your experience in the comments down below. The next one is from the brand that is called Kors, which is a brand that I really enjoy. This is the Greek Yogurt Nourishing Probiotic Gel Cream. This is a light and airy gel cream that packs a hydrating punch. It quenches our thirsty skin with time-releasing moisture, while a blend of prebiotics and probiotics will help to balance out our microbiome and soothe stressed out skin. And then, as we saw in the unofficial spoilers, we got a sneak peek about this, and I'm so excited that Estee Lauder is now going to be part of the IPSY family. So hopefully we'll see a lot more from this brand, but this will be in the GlamBag. This is their Advanced Night Repair Serum. It is a multi-recovery complex that will give our skin some TLC with their best-selling serum. It helps to restore radiance and elasticity by strengthening our skin barrier overnight with the brand's exclusive 1 in 60 million night peptide. Is that not crazy? And they're saying the results that we should get is firmer, bouncier, and more youthful looking skin that stays hydrated for up to 72 hours. Now, so many of you shared in the comments that you love this product, and you're also very excited about Estee Lauder being part of our IPSY family. So very excited about that as well. Now we're going to get into the August Boxycharm Power Picks. And where we have with the Boxycharm, they will choose 2 Power Picks. And the Power Picks, they always say, will more than pay for our box. Now, the Boxycharm box is the full-size items. And this is the one that got me so excited when we said we saw it in the unofficial spoilers. So this is now confirmed, and I am over the moon. This one here is from Ofra Cosmetics. It's called the Unconditional Mini Mix Face Palette. It says, get swept off your feet with this versatile and refillable magnetic eyeshadow palette that comes packed with 8 highly pigmented eyeshadow shades. It's made in collaboration with Rhonda, who has a YouTube channel, and she's known as Hot Mess Mama. And this has both your everyday looks covered, plus any night out glam that you need. Now, this, I remember when this was launched, there were about 6 influencers that they brought together for each one to make their own individual ride or die palette. And the one that really hit the mark with so many people was the one that was created by this YouTuber. So much so that they even had this palette made in a large number and put it on Ulta's website as well. So that is probably why, based on the volume that they created, that is probably why we are seeing it here at IPSY, which is so exciting. And as you can see, it's got all the neutral shades that you need to create a look in the eyeshadows, plus 2 pops of color. And then you have a perfect blush, you got your bronzer, and you also have your highlighter. So this, to me, if I was going to create a palette, would pretty much be pretty similar to this. So I'm very, very excited about this. A little disappointed that it's a power pick, which means they're choosing it. But we'll keep our fingers crossed, because I know a lot of people upgrade from their Boxycharm to Icon. So I'm hoping that this will be available for everybody else who doesn't get their Boxycharm box, or it doesn't get picked for you if you get your Boxycharm box, if it's what you want like I do, that it will be in future add-ons or in the add-ons for this month. So keeping my fingers crossed on that one. The next one is one that is called the Too Faced Cosmetics Better Than Sex Volume Mascara. Now, so many of you said that this has been around such a long time. You're surprised that this is going to be in the box. And then I had other comments that said, I've never tried this mascara, which is why this is so fantastic. If you have never had the opportunity to try the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara, this one took over the entire industry, the entire beauty community when it was launched. It was the first one to create this brush that had this hourglass brush to it. And then you'll see everybody else after that started creating this same brush, but the formula that is inside and the packaging of this Too Faced is really heavy. It is really like a Luxe brand. But like I said, so many other brands, including drugstore, started to copy this wand because it is really a fantastic wand for our lashes. Now, what they wrote about this is they're saying this is an award-winning formula that creates lashes that look full, defined, and stretched to unbelievable lengths. It's formulated with film-forming polymers to lock the curl into place and peptides to condition this cult favorite mascara that delivers the most intense black. It also has an oversized multi-dimensional lashes that you will achieve. So again, very excited about this to even just replenish mine. I think it is great. The next one is one that has my interest as well. This is from Keys Soul Care. It is Like Skin 2-in-1 Concealer and Tint. This is a multitasking skin tint. It's about to become your go-to for a natural radiant complexion. This versatile tint in an extra light shade with a neutral undertone is the one that they're showing here, offers buildable light to medium coverage that brightens as well as it blurs any imperfection for a skin-like finish. It's infused with 2% niacinamide to help brighten and balance, as well as squalene that will blend to keep your skin hydrated and moisturized all day long. And as I always share with you, just make sure your beauty quiz is up to date, because anything that is like a foundation or anything that's going to involve a different tone for your skin, then I always suggest that you make sure that you have it up to date. The next item is also from Keys Soul Care. And this is their Firm Belief Smoothing Peptide Cream. And it says, introducing your secret to smooth, supple skin. This is a rejuvenating peptide cream that's infused with a powerful blend of 5 peptide complex. It also has fermented, and I'm going to try to pronounce this, astragalus extract and a snow mushroom to help deeply hydrate and diminish the appearance of fine lines as well as wrinkles. And then we have the beautiful palette that everybody said last month, which I'm really enjoying it. The Laura Geller that says it's seasonless. Everyone says it's more fall and they were hoping for something more summery. Well, here you go. This one is from Iconic London. It is the Treat Yourself eyeshadow palette. It says, open this luxe treat to reveal the eyeshadow palette of your dreams. It showcases 20 delicious hues from matte crease shades to pastel pops of color that you'll be more than satisfied with to get a gorgeous palette like this. Now, these palettes are really, really large. And as they mentioned, it has the good mix of the standard shades that for me are the all over shade color here, the in the crease, the in the corner. So if you want just your neutrals, those 3 alone will be there for you, as well as the 2 that are on the bottom. And then you have all the lighter shades to give you your pastel look. And then as well, you have those perfect pops of color for the inner corners, as well as the lids, to be able to change the look to however you want it with that extra little satin shimmer. And I love the names on here where it says cotton candy, glazed donut, pink lemonade. It just sounds like it is that perfect summer palette. So that is what I have in reference to the Power Pick spoilers that are now official. But if you're following me solely on Instagram, or you want to know what my Instagram post will be, it'll be the picture that has what they put out. And this is the picture that they put out. So as you can see, there is far more when you come to the channel to be able to see what the actual products are going to be. But this is the picture that they put out. So this is the one that will end up going on my Instagram after the actual one that we have for the thumbnail that you saw that shows you this is the official spoilers. And that's it for this video, guys. So hopefully everyone's enjoying the beginning of their weekend. I'm hoping I got up really early to try to get things organized in my beauty space. And then at lunch, I started to check the computer and I started to see that, oh, we have an official. So I've got to sit down and film this for you guys as well. So that's it for this video, guys. So if anything else pops up, you know that I will film it and I will share it with you, because as I always say, if I know something, I want you to know it too, so that we could be in the know together. Otherwise, everyone, continue to stay safe and well, and I'll see you all soon again in the next one. Bye for now.